Hi, I'm Terra Tate,
Hi, I'm Cramer, CEO of JLab.
and we're here today to talk about the Epic Air ANC family.
Both of these items are the most technologically advanced products that we've ever worked on. I feel like we've been designing, building, crafting this really since we launched True Wireless four years ago. We've taken bits and pieces of all of these products that we've launched over the past 4 years, and the culmination are these two products.
Yep.
So we have two products, the Epic Air ANC, and then the Epic Air ANC Sport. And the big differences with both of these is form factor. So the Sport has our patented ear hook design, which is super cool. So great for fitness, running, biking, etc. And then a more traditional look, the Epic Air ANC, an in-ear with stems for great conversational talking. Both products have industry best battery life, that's always been a big deal for JLab. We asked the customer what's important, and battery life was that thing that was always so important. So we put a lot of design and focus and energy into making sure the battery life is strong. So 11, 12 hours of using ANC plus Bluetooth in the earbuds themselves, then up to 70 hours of total time when you talk about the case. The battery life is just amazing. But then you throw in the other features as well. So both cases have wireless charging, so you can just drop them on the case or on your charge pad, and they'll begin charging. Both products have active noise canceling, what we like to say Smart ANC. And what that really means is it adapts to the active noise canceling technology, adapts to your environment. So if you're on a plane, it learns very, very quickly that the engine noise is what needs to be reversed. If you're in a warehouse, it learns that likely the air conditioner needs to be what's removed from the equation, and it evolves very, very quickly, almost in real time. The algorithms kick in, reverse that noise, and give you an experience that is really, really cool. I think even more cool is the Be Aware. The Be Aware feature in these products, which if you're not familiar, it allows the outside noise in. So if you are riding your bike, you are jogging on the street, you can activate this feature and you can really hear the surroundings around you. And we've worked hard to make the experience perfect with these two products. And I think we nailed it. The outside noise in feature is one of my favorite things with the product.
So the what we call Smart ANC is what is kind of termed, I don't know if everybody's familiar with the term, but like a hybrid.
It is a hybrid. So it has feed forward and feedback. Essentially, it's listening to the noise outside in your world, and then the noise that's getting into your ear canal-ish area. And we're trying to use the technology to reverse those sounds so you don't hear it, because it's not what you're trying to hear. You're trying to listen to your music. You're trying to hear peace and quiet. So we're using that technology to create a quiet experience that is above and beyond. And on top of that, we're shipping with our first product complementary application, so app for both Google or Apple. Things that you can change are the strength of your active noise canceling. So you can move it up or down the spectrum. The strength of the Be Aware audio. You can move it up or down the spectrum. If we ship always with 3 EQ settings in the box, the JLab signature, the balanced and the bass boost. We added a fourth for you that you can fully customize, save it within the app. You can set your own parameters, the EQ sounds that you like, save it once, then you can cycle through it without ever opening the app again. That's very, very cool.
That's cool.
But then the customization of the controls. So I might like a single tap to change the track and a double tap to change the volume. That's an example. But being able to customize that to your liking is something that was really important for us. And again, just having to do it once and then you never touch it again is really cool. So I'm excited about the app.
This is being our most technologically advanced product. There's a few cool software things in there with Wear Detect and Movie Mode. So let's talk about Wear Detect.
Fantastic. So Wear Detect simply it has an IR sensor built into either earbud that if you take the earbud out, it stops playing. So it pauses your music or your movie, whatever you're listening to. You put it back in, it automatically starts playing again. So just a nice little sizzle feature but it packs a lot of punch, and it adds some good tech to the product that we think is cool. Especially being able, having that type of feature into a product that costs $99
Yeah.
doesn't happen.
Yep.
That's usually a $199 plus type of feature.
Mm-hmm.
So being able to make that accessible or affordable to everyone, it's been fun.
Yeah, that's great. And then movie mode, that's a new feature.
Yeah.
Talk about that.
We started putting movie mode into our products, I think this summer.
Mm-hmm.
And these two products being the kind of the hero products that have it. So you can flip between music mode or movie mode.
Mm-hmm.
And music mode is normal latency. It's not necessarily important to see when you're watching a YouTube video and if lips are moving, if they sync up with what you're hearing.
Yep.
But movie mode alleviates that concern. So it lowers the latency really low. If you're watching a movie, the lips, what you see on the screen will always sync up to what you hear. Mm-hmm. Or you can flip to music mode and get a longer distance from your phone. So if you're in the gym and you want to leave your phone across the room, you can be 100-ish feet away from the phone and you'll be fine. With movie mode, you need to be closer to it, about 10 feet or so, 10, 15 feet. But if you're holding your device, you're not going to be that far away.
Yep.
And the latency is much shorter.
Mm-hmm.
So you can flip between those two modes in the product.
They both have a good IP rating. I think the Sport has a higher.
Yep. 67 and 56, I believe.
66 for
66,
and 55 for the.
There we go.
Yep. And one we didn't talk about, it's not a new feature for us, but it's probably important for this product, is Dual Connect.
Yeah, Dual Connect is not a new feature for us, but certainly it is for some of those in the industry. And essentially what that means is you can wear either earbud by itself. Mm-hmm. So the left or the right. Historically, when you made a true wireless product, you had a parent-child relationship. Mm-hmm. So you had either the left or the right that had to be connected, and then you could use the other.
Yep.
With both of these products, you can use either left or right independently without the other being connected. And I mentioned this product comes with an app. This product will get better in time. Mm-hmm. Over-the-air updates are available with the app. Mm-hmm. As we learn and as we continually improve the product and add new features and benefits.
Yep.
We'll load them up, and you can download from that app as well. And they'll only get better over time.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
These two $99 price point products are on the higher end of the price point for us.
For us, yep.
But with all the features that we have baked in, it's still such a value as compared to an AirPods Pro or a Samsung or a Sony. Mm-hmm. And baking in that active noise canceling feature along with all of the other features that I suggested. Yep. I mean, the bang for your buck with these two, outshines anything we've ever done.